How often have you heard a child mentioning about his or her past life, describing the places and the house the child lived in, his or her previous life? It's a mystery, isn't it? To tell you some facts about rebirth, what some people believe it is the brain brought back into life again from the dead. Is it possible to come back into life again? How can you believe these facts? Subscribe and hit the bell icon. From our direction of view, without a reflector such as water or mirror, we could not see ourselves, but the view right opposite to us. So, how they prove it's they themselves? How can a rebirth person say it's they themselves at the time or era they lived and existed as a person, as in human form? In Bible, jinn are referred as demons. Jinns have existed long before mankind. They lived before the time of Adam alayhi salam. An angel and a jinn present alongside every man, every individual person. These jinns learn the language, knowledge, and behavior of the individual. And so, when this person, the individual, the jinn had been observing, dies, the jinn takes over, deflecting on another human being. These jinns show images, places where the previous person have been, and does what that dead individual or person was capable of doing, or may even look alike, similar to that person who died. Some people believe rebirth is real and people are reborn again on this earth, but the real truth is that these certain type of genes confuse human mind to forget about the heaven and hell after death. Leave your comments and questions below.